How to add a user to a database and add privileges. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click MySQL Databases. Scroll down to Add User to Database section. To select the user you want to add, click to open the drop-down list and click again on the user name. To select the database, click to open the drop-down list of databases and click again on the database name. Now click the Add button. You can click on individual checkboxes to select or unselect particular rights you want to assign to the user. You can also click the All Privileges checkbox to assign all privileges to the user. After selecting the privileges, click the Make Changes button. That's it. Privileges have been assigned to the user for the selected database. Thank you for watching.